In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Venmo as a payment method on Uber Eats. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to ubereats.com using your device's web browser panel. Make sure the page fully loads before moving on so you can clearly see all the menu options and restaurant listings. If you're not already signed in, you may need to log into your Uber Eats account first so you can continue through checkout without interruptions. Once you're on the site, choose the food delivery items you want to order. You can browse restaurants, select your meals, and add them to your order just like you normally would. As you add items, keep an eye on your cart so you can confirm that everything looks right. When you're ready, open the shopping cart drawer to review your selections. This is a good moment to double check quantities, special instructions, and any added fees before continuing. After that, move to the checkout page and look for the order summary section. In that area, click on Payment Method. This section lets you manage how you want to pay for the order, and it's where you can switch from a saved card or another default option to something new. Next, select Add Payment Method. You should then see a list of available payment choices displayed in the payment card rows. From those options, choose Venmo. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to scroll carefully through the available methods, since payment options can sometimes appear farther down the list depending on your account or screen size. Once you select Venmo, a secure validation pop-up window should appear. This is the part where you link your Venmo profile details. Follow the prompts shown in that pop-up and complete the verification process as instructed. Be sure to read each screen carefully so you understand what is being authorized. Since this is a secure connection, it's important to complete the steps only through the official prompt and avoid refreshing the page while the validation is in progress. After the verification is complete, Venmo should be added as your payment method for the order. At that point, you can return to checkout and confirm that Venmo appears in the payment section before placing your order. If it does, you're all set. That's how to add Venmo as a payment method on Uber Eats using Chrome.